Happy Thursday. I'm gonna film a Thursday reset with me, pack with me, get ready with me before I leave to go back home to Georgia. So it is 5:45 right now. Let's go to the gym. You can tell that it's early. Like, look at my bags. You can tell it's early. The Holy Trinity. Kisses. Hi, I look a little funny because I just showered and my hair is up in this hair towel. So I kind of look, it just look funny, but you know, self-care, you gotta multitask somehow. I'm about to clock into work. Today's video is gonna be all about me packing, me getting ready to go back home to Georgia. I am gonna film a separate vlog where I just show you everything that I'm doing in Georgia. So you'll get to see some of my family and I'm so excited. Hopefully I take you guys around Atlanta and the city and stuff. I have my agenda here with everything I need to do and get done. Like I said, I have to pack for Georgia. I wanna edit a YouTube video probably between lunch when I can, or maybe after I finish working. And I need to wash my makeup brushes because they're pretty dirty, girl. I haven't washed them in maybe a couple weeks. I need to finish as much food as I can because I don't want it to go bad while I'm away. I'm only staying until Tuesday, so I don't think anything is gonna go super bad. Maybe just my fruit. I do have bananas that are pretty spotty. I look so funny. Oh, and then I also need to do laundry. How am I gonna pack if I don't have clean clothes? The nice thing about working from home is that I can do like these small little tasks while I'm working simultaneously. That's always the really nice thing about working from home, is that you can kind of get little chores done while you're working at the same time. I'm having someone come over and fix our dishwasher because our dishwasher is broken. We finally have a dining room table. I don't think I showed it to you guys because I haven't really vlogged this week, but we finally did get in our dining room table, which is super, super cute. It's brown, it's wooden. It is definitely really nice to be able to do work on a table rather than like in my bed or a makeshift desk like I have been doing in the past vlogs. And it's definitely nice being able to eat your lunches and your dinners, even breakfast, your meals here at a table rather than just like either standing up by the kitchen counter or sitting at your bed. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys an update of my room. Let's do that real quick actually. This is the new setup. Don't mind the clothes right there. And that's all the laundry I have to get done. If you hear any noise, that's also Cleo in here. But this is the new setup. So you come in through the door and you have the bed here. Then on the side of the bed, I have my art supplies, like my painting and stuff, my oil paints and just random art stuff. And then next to the bed, I have a little bedside table. There's Cleo and she moved my trash can. I'm gonna put that back, thank you. Just a little lamp, candle, just all that stuff. And then here is a dresser that my boyfriend's family so graciously let me borrow. So I have all my stuff up there. I have some protein powder back there. I have to return. I bought a curtain rod for the window, but it doesn't fit, it's too small. This is where I've been also doing my makeup, just standing up and doing my makeup until I get my desk slash vanity situation. This is my luggage, my big like art bag that has a lot of canvases and stuff in it. This, you guys saw, this didn't really change, but this is kind of this is a TV stand, but I've been using it as like a little dresser drawer thing. Just my makeup, my candles, all of that. And then, yeah, my laundry, I moved it to this side. This is stuff that will be on my desk, or maybe some hanging shelves, and then my closet didn't change either, and that's my backpack on the floor. That's the room update. It was a little weird at first because I was so used to sleeping like horizontal. I was so used to sleeping like this way, and now I'm sleeping like that way. That makes sense. And I also really like the layout because I can open up my drawers and stuff and have more space to open things, whereas before I would literally have like the tiniest little bit of walking room. I think I'm going to get on with work now, see what kind of tasks I have to get done, and then I will update you if anything happens. Probably gonna take this towel off my head. Let my hair air dry. Hear any noise in the background, it's the laundry, as you just saw from the other clip. The repair guy just left. Am I in focus? The repair guy just left and he fixed the dishwasher. We don't even use it, but sometimes I use it as a drying rack, and then the water was just collecting at the bottom and it was getting moldy and gross. Yeah, so we got it fixed. I think I'm gonna take a little break and eat a snack because I'm pretty hungry. I guess my breakfast wasn't big enough. I knew it wasn't gonna be big enough. These muscles don't feed themselves. I don't know what else to make. I could eat lunch. You know what? Should I eat lunch early? It's like 11:20. That's kind of lunchtime, right? Or should I eat a snack and then eat lunch? But I was thinking of making some rice cakes, which sounds delicious. But a big salad sounds even better. Would it be weird to have rice cakes with blueberries and jam? Is that weird? I was starting to get pretty hungry while the repair guy was working here, and I was like, oh my gosh, please be finished early because, yeah, Miss Cleo, because I'm getting kind of hungry. Miss Cleo has also learned a new trick, i.e., I've already yelled at her so many times today. I was showering and she got in the shower. That's gross. That is gross. Mwah. You just love to be crazy, huh? I also cleaned her ears. She did not like that, but now she has fully cleaned ears. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You could eat off of them. They're so clean. And you did not like that, huh? I had to feed her like 6 different treats. I know, that was not fun. Look at also what she does. This morning I found her in the sink. Look at that, look at what is she doing? Those are dirty dishes. She's back at it again. That is not, it's the dishwasher. You're so freaking crazy. I don't even know what to do with you. I also put on this little jacket or sweater or whatever because I'm wearing a tank top, and sometimes I feel weird wearing tank tops around other people. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I'm showing my shoulders or there's too much boobage out or whatever the heck it is, but I just feel like it's a lot and I get uncomfy. And I want to be a tank top girly and I just am not. I can't. Not all the time. At least when there's like strangers around. Get the heck out of here. I'm gonna spray you with a water bottle. Yeah. Well, that's what's coming next. I already got permission from your mom. So if you hear her crying, I'm not abusing her, it's for her own good. She's in her room with food and water and toys and her litter box. So she's just being dramatic because she just wants to eat the leftover scraps of liquids and food that are in the sink. Disgusting. Disgusting. I've had puppies before. My parents have 2 dogs at home. And I know how to train a puppy, kind of. I do not know how to train a cat. Like my little snacky time. Wowza. It's 5 o'clock, clocked off of work, and I just got the last pile of laundry out of the dryer. So now the last step is to basically fold all the laundry that's behind me and pack. And then I can head over to my boyfriend's house and just be ready for tomorrow. It's a lot, I don't know if you can tell. And I'm not necessarily taking all of that to Georgia. I just need to get it done. And I know that there's some clothes that I might want to take, might not want to take. This is it, so enjoy this time lapse.
Baby, you give some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Okay, I want to show you guys everything that I'm packing because I think this is it. I'm packing pajamas. I'm packing 3 different sets of workout clothes. I think if I go to the gym tomorrow, this will be my gym fit. Then if we go running in any of the parks in Atlanta, these 2 are my gym fits. They're just Nike running shorts too, a tank top and a sports bra. So for my day fits, I think we're going to be going to either the aquarium, maybe Cafe Intermezzo and stuff like that. So I just have this cute little ruched top and then this striped blue top, and I think I can wear both of those, or I'm going to wear both of those with my white Air Forces. Just keep it really simple, and some jean shorts from Old Navy. These 2 tops were gifted to me. White socks, pretty simple. And then for my night outfits, we're gonna go see a comedy show, and then maybe we might go to like a bar or get drinks another night. I have these cute black loafers that I wear to work all the time, some black skinny jeans, this cute like ruched leopard print, it's a really cute top, and then this really cute polka dotted top. So those can both go with the black pants and the black loafers. I think they'll be a cute outfit for both. The one problem I always have with packing is how many shoes do I bring, because there's so many outfits, you don't know what to bring, right? But I think I cut it down to 2. Plus my canes, which are my recovery shoes. I'll show you what I'm packing in my gym bag. My canes are my recovery shoes after I run, my running shoes, the New Balance's Fresh Foams. I forget which version it is. I think it's the 1080. Just in case my knee starts hurting, my knee brace, a hat in case it's like really sunny, my running vest because obviously, my pre-workout. This is a Yeti mug I have to give back to my boyfriend, and then my pink blender bottle. Then I obviously have my running gels in here as well, because if you're a runner, you need running gels. I'm just letting you know. And these are the new Huma gels that I just got. I used to use the Goop packets, but they were like really thick, and like I felt like I couldn't run and like swallow them at the same time. So these are Chia energy gels, and they're a lot thinner in consistency. So far I like them. I've had 2 of them so far, and the flavors are pretty good. And I think that's what I'm packing. And then you saw me pack my work backpack, which has all my computer stuff. This is stuff I have to hang up, but I don't have hangers right now because my sports bras and my workout clothes are drying. I need to buy like a clothing rack, like a clothing drying rack, but this is it.